Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then you can see some of the story available. Then go to the any stories from your friends or following. Then you can see that in order to repost someone's story, you need to be tagged. So we are going to this account. Then here you can see this account is tagged by this celebrity, so they are able to repost this photo. But you can't repost this using any Instagram features, since Instagram does not have a built-in feature for reposting someone else's story to your own story directly within the app. So now all you can do is take a screenshot or screen recording. Open the Instagram app and view the story you want to repost, and take a screenshot by pressing the appropriate button on your device. And or else if it is the video, then you can simply take the screen recording and upload it to your story. So by following these steps, you can repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.